pattern signal channel. I'm replacing the brakes here on a Chevy 2011 Volt, and the rear brakes, I mean, I've changed a lot of brakes, but I'm having problems. As you can see, I got the C-clamp here, won't compress. I'm sure somebody else has had this problem. Can't compress it. No matter how much pressure you put on that, you can't compress it. So I was doing some research and figured out what the problem is. So the C-clamp won't work for the rear brakes on the Chevy 2011 Volt, and it's probably up until what the new ones, the 2016s, where I think they changed the design a little bit. But for these, what you need to do is, the C-clamp isn't going to work. What you need is some pliers. So we've got some pliers here, and we're going to take this, disassemble this here. Let's see if I can do this one here. Yeah, I've been trying to bleed the brakes here, do all kinds of stuff. Nothing works, but see if you can see that. See, there's two little notches here. What you need to do is actually turn it, and it'll go back down so you can put the new brakes in. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Better with some pliers. Some needle nose. Give me 1 second. This again here. Ooh. Yeah. There we go. And then to turn it back in, you want to go clockwise. Counterclockwise comes out. Really strange design, but something different. So if you run into this problem with the Chevy Volt, that's your deal there, and now it should fit in. Thanks for watching.